watch him as he goes. There goes my hero, he's ordinary.
Hey, Drue James here from LearnGuitarInLondon.com. I hope you're having a really good day. I'm playing the acoustic version of My Hero by the Foo Fighters, or specifically just Dave Grohl. I've actually included a link right now in the video in cards to the performance that I've based it on. It's a very famous performance that he did on the Howard Stern show. So check that out, have a little listen to it. It's really, really good. So it works nicely on acoustic, I think. Even though a lot of it is kind of electric power chords and things, I still think it sounds great. So grab your acoustic, I'm sure you've got it already. Let's get stuck into it. So we can break the song down into about 5 parts. There's 2 little riffs. There's one chord progression that goes through the verses using E and a C sharp minor. And then there's these power chord riffs. This sort of thing, okay? So I'm going to break it down into those components. I'm going to be showing it to you in the order that I played it. The beginning, you know, my performance at the beginning, obviously that's not the whole song, but it has all the components that you need to play the whole song. So that's why I've given you a demonstration of it. So the chords that you're going to need are an E, and you're going to need to move up to a bar chord on fret 4 with the ring finger on fret 6 on the D string, okay? So your E chord, fret 2 on the A and the D string, with the middle and ring finger, index finger on fret 1 and strum all 6, and you're going to be changing a lot to this. So something to drill is this chord change, because if you can't do that and keep the rhythm, it's not going to sound like the song. So when you do the E, a quick tip, rather than having the thumb up over here, bring the thumb round so it's ready and primed for the bar chord. That's really important, and that will make that faster. Okay, so work on that. I'm going to call this chord a C sharp minor. It's technically not, but I'm just going to call it that because it's easier for me. So that's what we're going to be working on the change to. So now let's put it into the riff. I'll play it as slow as I can, but it doesn't sound very good slow, and it's harder to play slow, so bear with me. First thing to understand is when I change to the C sharp minor. Down, up, up, 1 and 2 and 3 and. So what I'm doing is I'm going down, up, down, and as I'm about to go up, that's when I change. So work on going down, up, down, up. Down, up, 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 down, up. So then what am I doing with this? So first of all, listen to that melody. That's not what you're playing, but that will give you an understanding of the sound that you want. So with our C sharp minor down with that ring finger, we're going to start by putting the little finger on fret 7 to get that chord. So you've now got a 6 and a 7 on the B string, and the middle finger on fret 5 on the B string. And then you're just needing to know how many strums. Little finger, nothing, middle finger. So it's pinky finger for a down up, then nothing. Then pinky finger again for a down up. And then middle finger for a down up. Pinky finger, pinky middle finger, 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 and all the while doing, so this down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. It's easier if you hear the melody that way. So that is, let's call that the embellished riff. Okay, so that's what he plays 4 times round before there's any singing. So it's that round in a circle. And then after the 4th time, he does this riff. So with index finger on fret 2 on that position, you play the 2nd fret on the thickest string twice, then 4th fret on the A string, then 2nd fret on the A string, then 4th fret on the E string, 2, 2, 4, 2, 4, and then little mini bar on the A and the D string, and strum the A, D, and G string. 2, 3, 4, and then he strums it 3 times. 2, 3, 4, and then it's into the riff. Okay, so I'm just going to join from into that riff. And then into the vocal. So when the singing starts, he does the same riff, but he alternates. So the first time you get a break, you just hold down the E, still changing in that same place. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. But there's none of that. You just stay there on fret 6 with the ring finger. Too alarming now, take it out. And then the second time you do it with that main embellished riff that we learned at the beginning. Too alarming now, talk it out. Then repeat. Nice and simple. And then, so you just do that round twice, okay? So once with the unembellished riff and once with the embellished riff, okay? And then from there, we've got so this. When I first watched Dave Grohl do it, I was like, I swear he's just holding down one string at the beginning. And it makes sense. A lot of the time, he's playing the open E string because this song is in E and that string sounds pretty good. So all we can do is hold down fret 7 on the A string and just go 1 and 2 and. So down, up, hitting the E, A and that string that you're holding down only. Just those strings. It's important to be accurate. So down, up, down, up. Then you're going to hold down fret 6 on the A string and fret 8 on the G string. This is called playing with octaves. It's a D sharp power chord. And what you can do with this is still keep playing that thickest string, okay? And strum the bottom 4. So you're going, and it's the same amount of strums. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then move that chord shape up 1 fret to 7 and 9. And then up to 9 and 11, okay? With down, up, down, up. So everything is down, up, down, up. Repeat that. So you do that twice over that vocal. There goes my hero, watch him as he... And on the word goes, you come down to fret 2 to make a E5 power chord. So you press the A and the D string down on fret 2, pressing those 2. Don't strum anything apart from the top strings. And this is 1 and 2 and. It's a theme on this. So down, up, down, up. Then up to the 6 and 8. Then 7 and 9. And then 9 and 11. Okay? So goes. And then repeats. And the ending is just to 2 and 4. Okay? So it's got a slightly different ending. All right? So I'll put that all together really slowly. There goes my hero, watch him as he goes. Then you repeat, there goes my hero, he's ordinary. And from here, you go back to... and then this little riff, which I'll show you in just a moment. So you play riff 1 and then riff 2. So riff 2, you hold down fret 4 on the B string, strum the bottom 2 strings for this 4 and 0, move that up to fret 5, strum those 2 strings, and then hold fret 4 on the G string and strum the bottom 3. So 4, 5, 4, 4 on the G string. And then you're going round in a circle back to which we've already learnt, okay? There is just one other final thing that he does in the song. Towards the end of the last chorus, which I did in the video in my version, at the end, so the last time it's... there's this final chord, 11 and 13. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then you play the riff and the outro. So that's all the parts you need to play the song. Really hope you enjoy putting it together. Don't forget to check out Dave Grohl's version acoustic. It's really, really good. Keep on playing.